We chose solar because we wanted to really promote for our children ethical decision making, and the way sustainable energy is one of those things. Now my son at school, when he's being prompted to draw a picture of what his house looks like, he puts the solar panels on the top of the house, so we were pretty proud of that. I was actually pretty confused when it came to choosing who to ask to, even for a quote, but I recall Solahart from years ago, I think from TV commercials years and years ago, and I googled them and they're still around. I love that they're a local Tasmanian company and that they had a really great reputation and great name. Neil came and spoke with us and he was just so personable, could answer all my questions really clearly, and I understood what he was saying. It wasn't all coming across a little bit so technical I couldn't understand, which I was a bit worried about. We're definitely making savings energy-wise. We're really happy, particularly through summer, that I can see from our app that's on the phone. It's so easy to look at what our energy use is. Advice for people considering going solar, just go for it. It's a win-win. There's no way you can go wrong with it. The guys at Solahart are really awesome at answering any of your questions, and they don't oversell, so you'll just be getting the best setup that you can have for your property. We got smart with Solahart.